Bye. See you next time. Join Phoebe Run Club.
Next week. Grabe naman day 1, day 2 natin. 1 week yung pagitan. Bye guys. Let's go. Bye-bye.
Cancel pa na naman sa akin. So, nag-cancel po sa akin si Aya. Naglakad lang po ako today. Morning!
Finally, hindi ako nag-cancel today. I showed up. Ganyan lang ha.
Bye! Bye! See you next time.
See you next week.
Join Phoebe Run Club.
Next week. It's my birthday.
Birthday ni Aya next week. Pero
No run.
come join us sa Phoebe Run Club.
Bye guys.